excited because I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with some new products that I picked up from Sephora, so I can't wait to show you guys them. If you guys are like, oh my gosh, what did she do to her hair? I posted a hair transformation video from me going from long hair to a lob, so it's posted before this video if you guys want to go check that out. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you like it. And there's also a little notification bell that you can hit if you want to be notified when I post new videos. If you guys are wondering where I got this big cozy sweater that I'm wearing because my house is so cold, go check out my Instagram. I tell you all the deets over there. I'll put it right here so you guys can go check it out. And with that being said, let's get on into it. So today I'm going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Barcelona. This is what the bottle looks like. Nars has become my absolute favorite brand. I think it just looks the most natural and beautiful on the skin. I've been obsessed with Nars, so I have like 3 Nars products that I'm going to be using in this video. I hope you guys don't mind. They're definitely more on the expensive high-end version, but for foundation and stuff like that, I really just don't want to slack because my skin breaks out really easily. So I always go for a more high-end foundation. I guess I should talk while I'm doing this, but I absolutely love the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. It just breaks me out or gives me like little I don't know, like rough patches on my face. So I'm so sad, but that's why I can't use that foundation. Having dark hair, I wanted to go a little bit darker with my foundation just so I don't look like pale white. So I decided to get the shade Barcelona. I was Patagonia before that and I really like that shade. But when I go darker, I hate looking like a ghost. So I go a little bit darker in my foundation as well. My skin has been so just kind of red and splotchy lately, and I haven't been taking care of it like morning and night like I used to. Like I've been so tired lately that I've really been slacking on my skincare, and I can definitely tell. And then I'm going to be sticking with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer just because it's been my go-to lately. And I am in the shade 2C. I really like this shade. It's so creamy too. I kind of just go all around my face like this. I use my beauty blender for absolutely everything.
My concealer, my foundation, and now my blush.
You guys will see in just a few minutes. So I probably should get a separate beauty blender for at least my blush. I have like pink on this beauty blender and it's probably gonna get on my foundation. So today is Thursday and I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner of the Casery iPhone cases today. So it's the first Thursday in September. Last weekend was Labor Day and we had so much fun. By the way, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I don't know whether or not to get a darker shade. I kind of just, today is my first day filling in my eyebrows with darker hair, so we'll see. But anyways, back to Labor Day. We had so much fun because in Nashville there are these little like electric scooter things that you can take around the city, and I think they're called like Limes or Birds. Like there's 2 different companies that do it, and we had our friends come. We had Kyle's cousin come and stay with us, and then my best friend come and stay with us. We went out to dinner. We went out to sushi. If you guys have a Nama in your area, I think maybe they're only in Tennessee, but it is the bomb sushi spot, and they have half price nights on Mondays and Thursdays, and it's so good. So good. I don't like going too harsh with my brows because sometimes you can look a little bit angry if you go way too dark, so I'm actually still liking that ash brown color for my brows, so that's good because I just bought a new one. Alright, so now for one of my favorite parts, I'm going to be using the Dolce Vita liquid blush, and this is by Nars, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to use a liquid blush because I feel like they just look so natural and beautiful on the skin. So I'm going to be using my beauty blender for this again and just pumping 1 pump because I tried this on in the store and it's so pigmented. So I'm just going to put 3 dots on my face. It's kind of scary because it's so bright. And then I take the other side of my beauty blender, the thicker side, and kind of just dab that in. You don't want it to dry too much because it might just stay there. For some reason, smiling helps me blend in my blush. So if you guys want to set it with a blush over top, you can. Do I want to? Maybe I'll put a little bit of this Luminoso Baked Powder Blush by Milani over top. It kind of has that same like luminescent finish. Oh, yeah. So it's really good to set all your liquids with the powder so they'll stay in place all day. But you don't have to. If you have dry skin, you don't have to set it with the powder, so don't feel like you do. And then I'm going to take my powder from Pure and just hit all of the oily areas like in my T-zone that just tend to get a little bit shiny. My nose, my chin area, and sometimes right here too. Guys, I'm still loving this bronzer. I'm almost done with it, so I think I'm just gonna go buy a new one because I love it. It warms up my face so nicely. All right, so what I've been doing for my everyday eye look is I just take a little bit of this Pure powder and I just set my eyes so it won't crease. And then I take my bronzer. I'm like so simple, you guys. Take my bronzer and just go in the crease. Have any of you purchased Jaclyn Hill's new brush set? I like almost went online to purchase it and I'm like, do I really need to spend this much money? Like, no, I don't. I don't really need them, but they're so pretty, and anything recommended by Jaclyn Hill, I'm like, okay, it has to be good because she is just so amazing at makeup. All right, so I put a little bit of bronzer and then I take my other bronzer. I love bronzer to warm up the eyes. By Sephora. This is the Honey Heat bronzer. And I take a little bit of this shimmery shade and I go right on the center of my eyelid. And then I take the dark shade and just put it on the outer corner of my eye. And I find this just really warms up the eye. It makes it really like a nice soft brown smoky eye. And it's just bronzer. I love that. So I'm going to be using the Nars Precision Lip Liner in the shade Spunk. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be using that to just kind of line my eyes. I like using, I know it's like a lip liner, but I like using it on my eyes as well. And I literally just do the outer corner of my eyes. I just line them just a little bit. And then I take a little angled brush and just blend that out so it won't be such a harsh line. I just curled my lashes and now I'm going to use this Lancome primer. It's a white primer for your eyelashes, and Danny Austin actually told me about it. Like, her eyelashes are amazing. They are so long and her mascara always looks so good. I just hit myself in the face. But I have been using this for the past few days, and you guys, I always have issues with my mascara running. Always. 5 minutes after I put my mascara on, it's already down underneath my eyes. It's so annoying. This makes my mascara last all day. It is so good, and I don't even have to wear waterproof mascara because I hate taking off waterproof mascara. It's kind of annoying because it is an extra step, but I do think this makes the biggest difference in my lashes. So I usually do one eye and then I go in with the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. I just picked this up too. The lady at the counter was like, have you not tried this mascara? You've got to try it. It's so good. And she was right. I got the non-waterproof version and it stays on all day long. And so this combination combined has been making my lashes so long and full. Look at one eye compared to the other. I love that you guys left all your prayer requests for me on my last giveaway video. That was just so cool, getting to be able to pray for you guys, and just everybody being able to pray for other people as well. So we can always continue that in the comments. Like, always know if you have a prayer request, leave it down below and I'll be sure to pray for you guys. I always read all of my comments, so I won't miss you. And I'll definitely keep you in my prayers. And if you guys have any issues or struggles with anything, just DM me and I would love to like talk to you guys more about Jesus. If you don't have a relationship with him, or if you guys just want to talk, DM me and I'd love to like message you all. I always try to get back to all my DMs. So now that I'm done with my mascara, I love my mascara. I used to hate putting on mascara, but now this has made it like fun for me and I actually really enjoy it. So I'm gonna go back in with that lip liner from Nars and I'm gonna line my lips. This is like a new thing I've been doing too, is lining my lips. It just helps them look a little bit more full, and this is a brown lip liner, so I feel like it really makes them pop. It makes them stand out and it's perfect for fall. I know I look a little bit crazy. Now I'm going to go in with my Nars new lipstick in the shade Falbala. It's so pretty. It's kind of like this brown, taupey, bronzy red shade. It almost looks a little bit more red in camera, but it looks so pretty over this lip liner. How pretty is that? I think it looks so good with dark hair too. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed trying out some new products with me and just talking. I love my new hair with like makeup. If you guys want to change up your look for the fall, I say just go ahead and go for it because it's really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!